So here I am again to take the new chapter, and we are going to read chapter 4. Let's settle this camera first. Yes, little bit more. Yes, now it's all set. So we are going to exploring magnets. Yes, this is chapter 4, exploring magnets. Resma, let's read this. Resma lives in a coastal town of Kerala and is very fond of writing short stories. Her grandmother loves listening to her stories, so Resma was writing a new story to share with her grandmother on her 60th birthday. Okay? The story was based on a ship carrying spices from Kerala for trade in the olden days. Resma was aware that in those days the sailors used stars to find directions at night. But in her story, a situation arose wherein the sailors got caught in a storm with an overcast sky and stars, where overcast sky and stars were not visible. Resma could not take her story forward as she could not think of a way for sailors to find directions. Get it? She searched for information on the internet and her school library. She learned that the travelers used a device known as magnetic compass for finding directions. क्या है? Magnetic compass. Resma had seen pencil boxes and purses which had magnets to keep them closed. A writing board in her school also had a duster with a magnet, but she had never looked at those carefully. She now became curious to learn more about magnets and magnetic compasses. Oh, you haven't seen this? Okay. So, this is the page. Now we are turning the page, and here you can see the pictures: purse, boxes, almiras, fridge magnet we can call it. The magnets used by sailors in the olden days were based on naturally occurring magnets known as lodestones, which were discovered in ancient times. Later on, people found out that magnets could also be made from pieces of iron. Nowadays, we have magnets made of different materials. The magnets that you find in your school laboratory and those used in pencil boxes, stickers, toys are all artificial magnets. The magnets can be of various shapes, some of which are shown in figure in this. We have earlier talked about this. Now, bar magnet, U-shaped magnet and ring magnet. These are called the name of magnets, different shapes of magnets. Okay, this is the activity. You can read it and you can also find out which one is magnet. Identify which material which materials from this is attracted to a magnet. Okay, identify the materials attracted by a magnet, and you can fill this column. This is your activity. Okay, now we are moving towards the next. Through this activity, we found out that some of the objects were attracted to the magnet and stuck to it, while others were not. The materials which are attracted towards a magnet are called magnetic materials. The metal iron is a magnetic material. Nickel and cobalt are other metals that are also magnetic. ये क्या है? Magnetic है. Some of their combinations with other metals are also attracted towards magnets. The materials which are not attracted towards a magnet are called non-magnetic materials. विच मटेरियल लिस्टेड, पीछे का जो लिस्ट बनाया ना उसमें उनको देख सकते हो, जो मैग्नेट की तरफ अट्रैक्टेड नहीं है मटेरियल उनको बोलते हैं नॉन मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स. एज सिंपल एज दैट. पोल्स ऑफ मैग्नेट. अब मैग्नेट के पोल्स क्या हैं वो जानेंगे. पहले तो ये एक्टिविटी रीड करो, उसके बाद नाउ नेक्स्ट मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. ओके, द नेक्स्ट paragraph is talking about what? Let's read it. These ends of magnet are called the two poles of magnet, the north pole and the south pole. Most of the iron fillings stick to the poles of a magnet of any shape. Okay, it is not possible to obtain a magnet with a single pole. If a magnet is broken into smaller pieces, north and south poles always exist in pairs even in a smallest piece of magnet. A single north pole or a south pole cannot exist. Did you understand? तुम मैग्नेट को कितने भी छोटे छोटे इतनी छोटी छोटी टुकड़ों में अगर बांट देते हो तो भी उसमें नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल दोनों अवेलेबल रहेगा ही रहेगा. दिस इज़ द क्वालिटी ऑफ मैग्नेट, यू कैन से इट. फाइंडिंग डायरेक्शंस. अब डायरेक्शन कैसे हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं, पहले तो आप ये एक्टिविटी पढ़ोगे, ठीक है. उसके बाद यहाँ पहले कॉलम को पढ़ते हैं. यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है और यहाँ देखो. इफ़ वी हैव नोटिस्ड द डायरेक्शन वेयर द सन राइजेज और सेट्स, वी हैव एन अप्रॉक्सीमेट आइडिया ऑफ वेयर ईस्ट और वेस्ट इज़. ठीक है. Hence we can locate the direction along with the magnet rest. कैसे मैग्नेट रेस्ट कर जहाँ पे वो रुक जाता है ना, ऐसे हैंग करने पे अगर मैग्नेट रुक गया तो उसके पोल्स के थ्रू हम ये पता लगा सकते हैं कि कौन सा डायरेक्शन कहाँ है. यही ये बोल रहा है. ठीक है. और सन जिस डायरेक्शन से निकलता है उस डायरेक्शन से भी हम पता लगा लेते हैं. ये तो कॉमन है, सबको पता ही है. चलो नेक्स्ट पेज रीड करते हैं. अ फ्रीली सस्पेंडेड मैग्नेट कम्स टू रेस्ट अलोंग द नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन. द एंड ऑफ द मैग्नेट that points towards north direction is called the north seeking pole or the north pole of the magnet. The other end that points towards the south direction is called the south seeking pole or the south pole of the magnet. ठीक है. A freely suspended magnet rest along the north-south direction because our earth itself behaves like a giant magnet. हमारा अर्थ भी है ना, वो भी एक मैग्नेट की तरह बिहेव करता है. Repeat this activity with a small iron bar in place of the bar magnet. What do you observe? Does it always rest along north-south direction? It does not. It can rest along any direction. This implies that only magnets rest along north-south direction. This activity provides us with a way to test whether a piece of metal is a magnet or not. Okay? The property of a freely suspended magnet to always rest along the north-south direction is used to find directions based on this. A small device called a magnetic compass was developed in olden days for finding directions. It developed in oldest days. Okay, I have read this line. It has a magnet in the shape of a needle which can rotate freely. The needle of a magnetic compass indicates the north south direction. This is magnetic compass. Okay, if you have phone, then you can look at it. You can find out the magnetic compass in your phone and see the direction, in which direction you are standing right now, or reading or studying right now. Okay, the compass is kept at a place where we wish to know the directions. compass का क्या काम है? डायरेक्शन फाइंड आउट करना. After some time, the needle comes to rest in the north-south direction. The compass box is then gently rotated until the north and south marked on the dial are aligned with the needle. Okay? Now all directions at that place are as indicated on the dial. You can see this. Okay? नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. हमेशा कंपास की जो निडल है वो दिखाएगी नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल को. नाउ लेट्स रीड दिस. More to know, a magnetic compass is usually a small circular box with a transparent cover on it, as shown in figure 4.6. The magnet in the shape of a needle is mounted on a pin standing on the bottom of the box. This needle is balanced on the pin in such a manner that it can move around this point easily. That is, it can rotate freely. The end of the needle, which rests in the north direction, is usually painted red. Okay? Below the needle there is a dial with directions marked on it. You can know this. Now there is an activity. You can read this. Do you know? Let's read this first. Okay? Much before the widespread use of the modern magnetic compass, a device similar to मतलब इसी के similar to the compass needle made by you was used by Indians for navigation at sea. It consisted of a magnetized fish-shaped iron piece kept in a vessel of oil. It was called मत्स्य यंत्र और मत्स्य यंत्र. मतलब एक आयरन का ना फिश रखा जाता था ऑयल में करके. जब जो सेलर्स होते थे जब वो ट्रैवल करते थे तो डायरेक्शन फाइंड आउट करने के लिए, जिनको हम मत्स्य यंत्र बोलते थे. ठीक है, मतलब मैग्नेट का यूज़ काफ़ी पुराने सालों से हो रहा है. दिस इज़ अगेन an activity. You can read this. अगेन एक्टिविटी. देखो मैग्नेट से ना एक्टिविटी करने में बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है, तो तुम ये ट्राई कर सकते हो. मैग्नेट तो आजकल ईजिली हर जगह अवेलेबल है. ठीक है. व्हेन द नॉर्थ पोल, वेयर इज इट? यस. When the north pole of a magnet is brought closer to the north pole of the compass needle, it moves away as shown in figure. पीछे में फिगर में जो दिखाया है वो उसके बारे में बात हो रही है. When the south pole of the magnet is brought closer to the north pole of the compass needle, it moves closer. ठीक है. तो ये फिर से हमारा एक एक्टिविटी है मैग्नेट से रिलेटेड. और इस एक्टिविटी को करने के बाद ये जो भी ऑब्जर्विंग द इफेक्ट ऑफ मैग्नेट थ्रू नॉन मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स, ये ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या निकला है वो होगा, ठीक है। यू वुड ऑब्जर्व दैट देयर इज no appreciable change in the deflection of the needle when a sheet of any of the above materials is placed between the magnet and the compass needle. Therefore, we can conclude that the magnetic effect can act through non-magnetic materials. Get it? Fun with magnet. चलो भाई यहाँ भी पढ़ लेते हैं कि कैसे फन करते हैं मैग्नेट के साथ. After learning about magnets, Resma was excited and decided to set up some fun activities using magnets at her school fair. You may try making these yourself and may also think of some more fun ideas. Magnets can move some object without touching them. Is that not amazing? Okay, now we are here. See, steel balls in a maze. Steel papers clip in water. कैसे? Can we take the steel balls out of the maze by moving a magnet below the cardboard tray? यहाँ पे ना कोई वो कुछ भी रख के स्टील बॉल्स बोलते हैं इनको, और पीछे अगर मैग्नेट लगा होगा या फिर नीचे से एक गेम आता था उसको ऐसे घुमाने से ना वो यहाँ का जो मटीरियल है बॉल है वो अपने ये अकॉर्डिंग हम वो उसको मूव कर सकते थे. ये एक तरीके का गेम था बचपन में हमारा. Can we pick out a steel paper clip fallen in water using a magnet without getting our fingers or the magnet water? मतलब पानी में ये पिन डाल दो और फिर अगर मैग्नेट से उस पिन को तुम निकाल सकते हो क्या, ठीक है, बिना हाथ गीला किए और बिना इसमें मैग्नेट डाले हुए. You can try it. It's a fun. Okay. Will the two cars speed towards each other or run away from each other when brought closer? देखो ये closer आएंगे तो इनमें क्या आएगा change, वही पूछ रहा है. Now more to know. In some magnets the north and south poles are marked as N and S. In some other magnets the north pole is indicated by a white dot. Sometimes the north pole of a magnet is painted red and south pole is painted blue. मतलब जो नॉर्थ है ना, नॉर्थ एन से उसको दिखाते हैं, वहाँ रेड से इंडिकेट करते हैं और जो साउथ होगा उसको ब्लू से, ठीक है. तो ये हो गया हमारा. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. हाउ टू कीप द मैग्नेट सेफ. अब इनको सेफ कैसे करें. मैग्नेट सेज स्टोर मी प्रॉपरली, कीप मी इन पेयर्स विथ अनलाइक पोल्स on the same side, keep a piece of wood in between, place 2 pieces of soft iron across the ends. ऐसे ये हो गया आयरन पीस और ये दोनों हो गया हमारा मैग्नेट. यहाँ पे अगर नॉर्थ पोल है यहाँ साउथ पोल है तो यहाँ पे उल्टा इसका हो जाएगा, यहाँ साउथ यहाँ नॉर्थ, बीच में वुडन है हमारा, है ना. और यहाँ पे देखो यहाँ पे हमारा आयरन पीस लगा हुआ है. डू नॉट हीट मी और ड्रॉप मी और हैमर मी. मतलब ना ही मुझे गर्म करो, ना ही मुझे हथौड़े से मारो, ठीक है, ना ही मुझे ऊपर से गिरा दो, टूट जाता है ना वो. डू नॉट कीप मी नियर मोबाइल फ़ोन्स और रिमोट कंट्रोल्स. इनके साथ भी मुझे मत रखो, मैग्नेट को मत रखो. क्वेश्चन क्या बोलता है. हैव फन बट ट्रीट मैग्नेट्स विथ केयर. केयर के साथ ट्रीट करो ना. है ना, हर चीज़ को तो संभाल के रखते ही हो, इसको भी रखना. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट. Yes, this chapter is over. I think this is a very short chapter. We have finished it. Okay, read it by yourself, and then you can comment down below what I can change in my reading so that I will improve. Or this is the summary. You can, if you will say, I will add or I will read the summary of the chapter, and I will make short videos of it. Okay, so this is the chapter. Now we will meet in the next chapter. Okay, till then, bye 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 bye.